Hi there, Trusty Trev. Agent Smith here. Well, I saw you are having some troubles to work with SSVNC viewer. Don't worry. I could be posting, do that, and don't do this and stuff, and you would go back and forth. I'm going to make this video to show you what to do, okay? Don't worry, it's simple. Once you get the hang of it, it's amazing, okay? Let me show you one thing that I do very often, almost on a daily basis. I control my notebook through via my desktop with SSVNC viewer. Okay? I'm going now to turn my cell phone to film what I will do. Okay? Okay. This is my notebook. Lenovo T430. I love this machine. Guess the best machine I ever had. Okay, then we boot on it. I'm going to log in. And okay, now it is connected to wireless. Okay, it's here, and it IP address is 192.168.2.116. Okay, what am I going to do? I'm going to start X11VNC with that X11VNC loop display space 2 point oh no, display space 0. Okay, now I am in my desktop. Okay, take a look. What am I going to do? Now I'm going here, run SSVNC viewer, and I'm going to put my notebook's IP address. It's 192.168.2.116 and enter, and voila, I'm controlling my notebook via SSVNC viewer from my desktop. Okay, Trusty Trev. Easy peasy, no problem, no. Of course, you can add a password in the other side. You can do whatever you want. Now, you want to configure SSVNC viewer, press F8 and here you configure it. Okay, I hope you liked this quick tutorial, this crash course. Okay, and the only thing I ask you is like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, because YouTube, the guys are big jerks that don't like small channels. Okay? If you have any more doubt, please let me know. Okay? Best regards, and I see you around.